Hey, I'm John, a full stack web developer. Welcome to the full stack web development short course where we are diving into creating a calculator web application using Vue 3 for the front end and Laravel 10 for the back end. This course serves a dual purpose. First, I am working on Inteli System, a school learning management system project that needs a calculation feature. Second, and equally important, I believe this course will greatly benefit other developers, helping them level up their skills. Throughout this journey, we will build a full stack web application from ground up, following industry standard software engineering processes. You are in for gaining expert knowledge in the field of full stack web development. While this course is designed for advanced and expert level developers, even beginners will find valuable insights. Excited to have you on board. Stay tuned for the coding adventure.